What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing something very exciting for me. We're going to be rebuilding this Cummins motor, and the reason why it's so exciting is because it's been sitting for probably a year and a half, and I've said I was going to rebuild it, and it just kind of hasn't ever happened, and here we are about to rebuild it, and I am so excited. Let me start off by saying this is an international block, which essentially means it has a thicker casting than other blocks, and it's the most sought after 12 valve block that you can get. That was before the common rail. So I took the oil pan off, and I already have all of the rockers off. So we're gonna pull all these injectors out. These are just cores, they're not actually any good. That's why I kind of left them out and in the open like that. Okay, so we removed all the head studs. Now it's time to remove the head. Yeah, they weren't lying when they said this thing was heavy, bro. It's like, it's not even, oh, there we go, we got it. Yeah, that thing's heavy, all right. Okay, so now we need to remove the valve springs in order to start porting this, because I don't know if I said this already, but I am going to be polish and porting my head by hand. Let's remove the valves, or excuse me, we're gonna remove the springs, and then we'll remove the valves. I'm gonna do a before and after and then show you a little bit of the action, because it's gonna take, I think, a long time to port this head. Okay, I just finished porting this thing. It's been a long time. This is currently day 3, and it's like 9 o'clock right now. So I just finished up. So I'm gonna show you a picture of what it looks like before. Notice how there's a lot of metal on the inside of the silver ring, which is the valve seat. If you look, we've removed all of that, which is called just unshrouding the valve. And then we've opened up the bowls, and we didn't really touch the swirl ramps at all, but we did open it up a little bit to make it breathe a little bit better. Overall, I think it's gonna perform way better. Like, it's way more open. I think it's gonna breathe a lot better. All right, so now we're going to finish disassembling the rest of the block. We're gonna check all the clearances and everything and make sure that everything is good to go. And we're gonna take whatever needs to be machined to the machine shop tomorrow. So let's get into it.
I'll work for one piston.
Well, I don't need a brake machine, so what's up, guys? I just got back from the machine shop. I ended up taking my block head and my crank as well. So they're gonna get that all taken care of. While they're doing that, because it's gonna be about 2 weeks, I'm gonna start powder coating and, well, actually sandblasting first, then powder coating all the parts off the engine. Here's all the parts that need to be sandblasted and eventually powder coated. finished powder coating pretty much everything I can for my motor. And here's what this stuff looks like. It's all on this shelf. There's my injector lines, the oil drain for the turbo, and then there's just miscellaneous intake stuff, gear case cover, the gear case itself, valve covers. It's really hard to catch the glittery stuff on film, but it's really pretty. I like it. So anyways, sorry I've been jumping around, like I'm kind of all over the place this video, but I mean, it's kind of how it goes, you know, it never goes the way that you expect it to. So anyways, I really appreciate for you guys watching. If you enjoy this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.